Listen, speak, read, write.
Please show your support. Subscribe, like, comment.
Lesson 4. Proper nouns and common nouns.
This person is a doctor. The word doctor is a common noun. This person's name is Kyle. A person's name is a proper noun. What are common nouns and proper nouns? Common nouns are general names of people, places, or things. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or things. Common nouns, people. Doctor, student, model, boss, speaker, cashier. Proper nouns, people. Kevin, Kyle, Kate, Keisha, Kelly, Kim. Nouns, people, common and proper. Doctor, Kevin, student, Kyle, model, Kate, boss, Keisha, speaker, Kelly, cashier, Kim. Reminder, common nouns are general names of people, places, or things. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or things. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.